Did you ever want to escape the chaos of the city and get lost in nature? Well, guess what? I have found the perfect place for you right here in Bangalore. Introducing JB Kaval, a hidden gem in the heart of the city. This forest reserve is a perfect place to explore and discover the beauty of nature without having to leave the city limits. As soon as you step into JB Kaval, you will be transported to a serene and peaceful world surrounded by towering trees and lush greenery. It is hard to believe that this amazing place exists right here in the city. Whether you are into hiking, mountain biking, or just want to enjoy a beautiful sunset, JB Kaval has something to offer everyone. And what is really exciting is that there aren't any markers indicating routes or directions, so you get to explore the forest on your own and create your own little adventure. And if you need to take a break, there are benches scattered throughout the forest where you can sit and take in the beauty of your surroundings. I was amazed to learn that JB Kaval has been a reserve forest since 1896 when the British government first announced it, and even now the state government recognizes its ecological importance and has declared it a reserve forest. So if you are ready to escape the city and explore the beauty of nature, then JB Kaval is the place for you.